Good morning, students. Today we will discuss the question answer of our question answer, and the name of the chapter is Glimpses of India Part 2, Coorg. First question, where is Coorg? And the answer is Coorg is the smallest district of Karnataka. It is situated between Mysore and the coastal town of Mangalore. This land of rolling hills is also known as Kodagu. Second question, what is the story about the Kodagu people's descent? And the answer is the Kodagu people descended possibly from the Greeks of the Arabs. A part of the Alexander's army moved south along the coast. They settled down there because their return became impractical. Their traditions, marriage, and religious rites are distinct from the Hindu mainstream. The theory of their Arab origin draws from the long black coat with an embroidered waist belt worn by the Kodavars, known as kufiya, resembles the kufiya worn by the Arabs. Next question, what are some of the things you know about? First part, the people of Coorg, and the answer is the people of Coorg are a proud race of martial race of men and beautiful women. They are fiercely independent. They are possibly of Greek or Arabic descent. Kurgi homes are famous for their hospitality. The Coorg regiment is the most decorated regiment in the Indian Army. Second part, the main crop of Coorg, and the answer is the air of Coorg breathes of coffee. Coffee estates and colonial bungalows stand tucked under trees. The sports it offers to tourists, and the answer is Coorg offers high energy adventures like river rafting, canoeing, rock climbing, mountain biking, and trekking. The animals you are likely to see in Coorg, and the answer is macaques, Malabar squirrels, langurs, slender loris, and wild elephants are some of the animals found in Coorg. Its distance from Bangalore and how to get there, and the answer is Madikeri, the district headquarters, is 250 to 260 kilometer from Bengaluru by road. The nearest airports are Mangaluru 135 kilometer and Bengaluru 260 kilometer. Now here are 6 sentences with some words in italics. Find phrases from the text that have the same meaning. First, during monsoons, it rains so heavily that tourists do not visit Coorg, para 2, and the answer is as to keep the tourists away. Second, some people say that Alexander's army moved south along the coast and settled there, and the answer is as one story goes. Third, the Coorg people are always ready to tell stories of their sons and fathers' valor, and the answer is more than willing. Next, even people who normally lead an easy and slow life get smitten by the high energy adventure sports of Coorg para 6. And the answer is the most laid back individuals become converts to the life of. Next, the theory of the Arab origin is supported by the long coat with embroidered waist belt they wear, para 3. And the answer is draws support from. Next, macaques, Malabar squirrels, observe you carefully from the tree canopy, para 7. And the answer is keep a watchful eye. Now, here are some nouns from the text. Work with the partner and discuss which of the nouns can collocate with which of the adjectives given below. The first has been done for you. Culture, unique culture, ancient culture. Second, monks, unforgettable monks, ancient monks. Surprise, sudden surprise, terrible surprise. Number 4, experience, unique experience, terrible experience. Number 5, weather, terrible weather, unique weather. Next, tradition, ancient tradition, unique tradition. Now, complete the following phrases from the text. For each phrase, can you find at least one other word that you fit into the blank? The first one is tales of. It will be tales of valor. Second, coastal. It will be coastal town. Number 3, a piece of. It will be a piece of heaven. Number 4, evergreen. It will be evergreen rainforest. Plantations. It will be coffee plantations. Wild elephants. Now, additional questions. First question, describe the geographical location of Coorg. And the answer is Coorg or Kodagu is the smallest district in Karnataka. It lies between Mysore and the coastal town of Mangalore. This piece of heaven may also be called the land of rolling hills. It is the home of evergreen rainforests, spices and coffee plantations. During the monsoons, Coorg has a lot of rains. Next, describe the people and culture of Coorg. And the answer is Coorg is inhabited by a proud race of martial men, beautiful women and wild creatures. Coorgi homes have a tradition of hospitality. There are many tales of valor related to the people of Coorg. The Coorg regiment is one of the most decorated in the Indian Army. General Cariappa, the first chief of the Indian Army, was a Coorgi. Kodavas are the only people in India permitted to carry firearms without a license. Next, how has the tradition of courage and bravery been recognized in modern India? Give examples from the text. And the answer is the people of Coorg are known for being fiercely independent, brave and courageous. There are numerous tales of valor connected with the people of Coorg. The Coorg regiment is one of the most decorated regiments in the Indian Army. The first chief of the Indian Army, General Cariappa, was a Coorgi. The Coorgis are the only people in India who are permitted to carry firearms without a license. Next, where and how can we have a panoramic view of the misty landscape of Coorg from? And the answer is the tourists are advised not to miss a climb to the Brahmagiri hills. The climb to the Brahmagiri hills gives you a panoramic view of the entire misty landscape of Coorg. Then you can walk across the rope bridge. It will lead you to the 64 acres island of Nisargdhama. Describe the largest Buddhist settlement in Coorg. And the answer is, below the rolling hills lie the largest Tibetan settlement in India in Coorg. The Buddhist temple at Bilkup is famous for its grandeur and beauty. The monks in their red, ochre and yellow robes represent the heart and soul of India right here in Coorg. Thank you.